Yo, what's up? It's your boy Tizzle with another video. Yo, it's your boy Tizzle for real. We back with another video. Like the last video, I told you guys we gonna talk about established business credit. This gonna be another short video. You feel me? So make sure you pay up, pay attention, write down some notes, and I'm gonna give you a little, you know what I'm saying? A little sprinkle on a little something. Give you a little sprinkle on that guy. You know what I'm saying? But yo, look. Establishing business credit is totally different. Well, not really. It's not different. It's not different. It's just levels to it. So, establishing, yo, seriously, establishing business credit, you got so many different ways that you can establish business credit. You know what I'm saying? You can get primaries, you can get a business credit card, you can get a secured, you know what? You can get a business credit card. I'm sorry. You can get a couple trade lines. You know, it's so many different ways and techniques of getting business credit, right? But it's like how you gonna track that business. Well, how the government would track that business credit. You would need to get a Dun and Bradstreet number, and we're gonna talk about that in another video. So make sure you just make sure you keep up. You know what I'm saying? Tap in. Just gems, baby. But look, yo, one primary that I can tell you for a fact that I personally have got packages from is Uline. And once again, this is not a paid promotion. Nobody didn't pay me, ask me to talk about it. You feel me? This is just a primary that I personally use for me establishing business credit. You know what? I think I actually got it. I think I got an invoice. Yep, got an invoice right here. So, Uline is pretty much a net 30. So you're going to establish some good business credit with this. Even with this company, I love this company. They respond quick. I get my stuff the next day, you know, with shipping. Yo, tap in. I'm telling you, this is, I don't know if you can really see this, but this is how the invoice will probably pop up and all that. But yeah, this easy way to establish business credit. You feel me? It's not hard. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to establish, to me, business credit other than personal credit. And it's 10 times better. You have to structure your business the right way. You have to get your registered agent, get your business insurance, and we're gonna talk about that also. I'm gonna tell you how you get a crazy insurance policy, yo. You feel me? You would think that'd be like thousands, but it's really like $400. I'm gonna tell you, tap in. You feel me? I'm telling you, I'm dropping gems. But I'm gonna tell y'all how to get that particular insurance established for your business. But like I'm saying, tap in, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification button. If you're a producer, musician, entrepreneur, business owner, or you just want a little side gig, you know what I'm saying? You pop your little LLC open, pow! You feel me? And then you want to establish you some business credit. It's so many other primaries out there that going to help you establish real business credit. Also, another gem, gas cards. If you got an LLC and you're a business owner, yo, if you're a musician that has to travel, you feel me? Because not everybody got cars. So if you're a musician or you're a videographer, you're a producer, or like I'm saying, you just an entrepreneur or business owner, go get you some gas cards. That's going to help you and benefit you tremendously. That is, yo, you don't understand. That's going to promise you, tap in.